to the back, to the front. You attend me, girl. To the back.
Hi, friend.
ABC has stopped its programming for an important message. This message was sent at the request of NASA, and was approved by ABC and the White House. This message is sent to inform about the current events happening on the planet Mars. Scientists have conducted research and has come to a conclusion that Mars is starting to become a habitable planet. Simulations set to the current conditions of Mars have displayed oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other breathable elements in Mars' atmosphere. It might be possible that there's life on Mars, but this isn't verified by NASA yet. Scientists and astronomers from NASA are working to create a land rover to land on Mars to try and get more info about the chemicals released on Mars, as the cause is still unknown. We at ABC will continue to provide more updates as the situation unfolds and we get more info on this fascinating breakthrough. Please stay tuned to ABC News or other news stations/websites for more info regarding this event. Stay safe and make with